huge portion of this video is in collaboration with VESGANTTI. Our friends over at VESGANTTI were super kind enough to send me a modular sofa to help make over my sister's living room. And let me tell you, I am super obsessed and excited about this. Please join me to say a very big thank you to VESGANTTI for agreeing to collaborate with me on this makeover. In a few minutes, I will take you guys on the journey of how the unboxing process went, how well packaged and detailed this company was when they sent over or packaged their modular sofa. So stay tuned for that portion of the video. By the time I got to my sister's house, VESGANTTI had already delivered the sofa and it came in 2 boxes. We were on a very tight budget. This is what the living room had looked like for a while now, but my sister knew it needed a facelift. So I flew from Houston to Virginia to make it happen. I wanted to give my sister that living room that she really wanted on a very tight budget. So I flew in with my mini-me. It was a very beautiful flight. It was peaceful and wonderful. We bonded and she had a good time. Hello guys and welcome to Dedes Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decorating ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create high-end looking homes on a budget. And if this is something you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. With all the clutter this space had, this is one thing that stood out to me. I was so in love with this piece that was gifted to her by one of her friends. And oh my God, the aesthetics of this thing, the sound it makes is very beautiful. I brought it back to the space after we were done decorating, but unfortunately, I don't think I showed you guys how I played with that piece in the space. I had to declutter the space, obviously, to clear out the space, to receive all the things that we had to do to make this space a better space. Now, the space is a beautiful space, don't get me wrong, but she wanted it more airy, and also we were on a budget, so we kept a lot of the things that she already had and just spruced it up to make that space look very airy, beautiful, welcoming, and homey. So that is what we're going to be doing in today's video. Stay tuned as we get ready to unbox our VESGANTTI sofa set and show you how beautiful and aesthetically pleasing that sofa was to revamp this space. This couch was a very old couch and we were trying to move it to the other living room, and this space was going to be the landing space for the home. So she wanted an airy couch in this space. And so that was what we were going to do, or we are going to do in today's video. So stay tuned for all the details. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome to the family. I hope you love us enough to subscribe and join the family. And if you're an OG on this channel, I really do appreciate you. You know, without you, I would not be here. Thank you for always coming back for more. You guys know that if you've watched up to this point, usually I would request that you leave a beautiful comment, like the video, and do not forget to share the video with a family member or friend to inspire them to make over, redecorate, refresh their space on a budget. And if you have not dropped us that beautiful comment, you know we love the fun, beautiful comments. Tell me something nice down in the comment section. I love to see those comments. I love interacting with the comments because obviously they inspire me and they also help the channel to be recommended to more people. Thank you all so much for all you do for this channel. I really do appreciate you, and remember, I do not take you for granted. It's time for me to introduce to you guys the VESGANTTI 3-seater and 1 ottoman 108 L-shaped modular sectional sofa. I got the color beige, and let me tell you, I am super excited. It also comes with a blanket upon demand. If you get your sofa and you want the blanket, VESGANTTI will be kind enough to send you a blanket as well, so you don't have to go purchase a blanket. Something that stood out to me was the fact that after opening the first box, I noticed that VESGANTTI attached a promotional flyer that talks about other products they have on their website, and I loved it. It looked very aesthetically pleasing and beautiful to know that if I was going to expand my range with this company, I could go and buy whichever one they showcased. On the other side of that promotional flyer, it also has the installation process. I really loved that. It made me super happy. I was really obsessed with everything and how well packaged it came. The user manual as well is such a beautiful addition and decorative piece because you could put it as a coffee table book, and I love it a lot. I loved the material that I saw. It was like a soft velvet. I just love the texture. It gives like this very beautiful sheen and elevates your space instantly. I love every detail that I saw and how well packaged it was. No piece was missing, no piece was broken. Everything came in one piece, and I love it. I also love how versatile the design of this sofa is. It can fit various home decor styles and usage scenarios. It can also be used, as you will see in this video, without the ottoman or with the ottoman. I love that it is a deep cedar sofa. It is 26 inches deep, which is relatively deeper than regular sofas, but it's not too deep that it makes it uncomfortable to sit and relax. That I love it a lot. It is made of chenille fabric, which is very soft, comfortable, durable, and washable, and very pet friendly. I am really in love with every detail that this sofa brings. After unboxing, this is what all the parts of the sofa look like laid out. I also wanted to show you guys that the sofa comes with 2 leg heights. You can go with the short sitting one or the higher sitting one. In my case, I am going to be using the longer or higher sitting one because I didn't want it to be so down to earth. I want it to be a little higher. So I decided to use that because yes, that was what worked for me and my family. So if you are wanting a very low sitting couch, you can go ahead and use the shorter one. As someone who's not handy, I thought I was doing a great job, guys. I was spending a few minutes just, making sure that the legs were tight and just doing my thing. Now, remember at the beginning of this video, I said we were on a very tight budget, so I could not replace anything. I had to use what she already had. This rug was really beautiful. When I talk about comfortable rug, soft, plush, this rug was so good and I really wanted mine. I asked her and she said she got it from Costco, and I am literally shopping for mine right now. So guys, if you've been loving it so far, let me know down below. I can't wait for you guys to tell me what you think about the before and the after of the space. We kept it on a tight budget. We didn't buy much, and we literally just replaced the pillow covers or the pillows and the wall art. Okay guys, so I am done setting up the modular sofa from VESGANTTI, and let me tell you, I am loving it. I haven't, just made the aesthetically pleasing. That is the vibe around here, but as you can see, this is what it looks like. You could set it up in so many different ways. For me, if I had to use this full modular setup, this is how I'll probably use it, either on this side or on the other side. I brought back these two accent chairs because I wanted to see how it will fit with the space, but overall it makes the space look a little smaller because of how it's set up. I'm going to try to open up the space so you guys can see. I would open it up. I would try to make the space look a little bigger than it is because that's what we do over here. The quality of this sofa is so beautiful. I really love it. I love that it's a modular sofa. I love that each one of these cloths are removable. I am very big on that, especially if you're going to have a white sofa. You want to make sure that the cloths around the cushions are removable so you can wash them. So each one of these are removable, and I really love it. That alone is a plus for me because yes. I just wanted to take a moment to show you guys my own blanket. This is what it came looking like. I love the velvet. Of course, you guys know I'm a velvet fan. I also wanted to highlight a design mistake that my sister did with her curtains. Obviously, we're not changing the curtains, but when you're hanging your curtains, always remember to hang them inwards. And when you're starting, just hang it inwards. This one is hung properly, but the one we just saw earlier is not hung properly. This side, as you can see, is perfect, but the last one over there is not perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that design mistake and make it a perfectly hung curtain. So I just wanted to do that before redecorating the space, and I just thought to show you guys because this is a very common design mistakes, and I've seen this in really most people's houses that I go to. I always pinpoint this particular one. So I just thought to show you guys. So if you did not learn anything else, please take this with you. I hope you learned something from today's video. It's finally time to redecorate this space, and I'm doing away with the ottoman because I do not need it. So I'm just going to expand the space and make it even airier. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this sofa, I'm going to link it down in the description box below or in a pinned comment. Just check it out, and obviously thank me later because I'm pretty sure you would enjoy this sofa. So guys, stay tuned for the review of the before and how this sofa has transformed this place completely, and I would love to know your thoughts. Let me know down below what you think and drop me a beautiful comment because that encourages me to create more inspirational videos like this one. Thank you so very much, and I cannot wait to see you at the end of the video with the reveal. It's time to show you what this space looked like before. Just a quick reminder of what we were dealing with, what we started with. It was beautiful, but I think this is even more beautiful, especially being on the budget. I am loving it. Let me know your thoughts down below. Tell me something nice. I would love to see it.